Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a website with a server. First, you need to understand the Domain Name System, or DNS. This system translates your human-readable domain name into a machine-readable IP address. You'll point your domains a record to your server's public IP address. This crucial step directs internet traffic to the correct server, making your website accessible to everyone online. Ensure your server has a unique public IP. Next, configure your server environment. Install a robust web server software like Apache or Nginx, which handles incoming web requests. Then, set up virtual hosts to tell the server which website to display for a given domain name. It's also vital to ensure that necessary communication ports, such as port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS, are open on your server's firewall to allow web traffic. Once your server is ready, it's time to deploy your website files. You'll need to transfer all your website's content, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images, to the server. Secure File Transfer Protocol, or SFTP, is a common and secure method for this. Alternatively, you might use a version control system like Git. Place these files in the designated web server directory, often named public HTML or www. Finally, thoroughly test your website by accessing it through a web browser to confirm everything works as expected. For security and trust, install a robust SSL certificate to enable HTTPS, encrypting data between the browser and server. This is crucial for user privacy and search engine ranking. Also, implement a robust firewall to protect your server from unauthorized access and malicious attacks, safeguarding your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.